How to make $987 a week doing affiliate marketing using your smartphone. Here are 5 steps to make $987 a week doing affiliate marketing. Step 1. Choose a niche. Select a niche that you're passionate about and has profitable affiliate products. Step 2. Research products. Find high-quality products. Also, look for affiliate products that have a monthly payment program where you get paid every month. Step 3. Build a platform. Create a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence to promote your chosen products. Step 4. Produce content. Regularly create valuable content related to your niche and the products you're promoting. Step 5. Drive traffic and optimize. Utilize SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and other strategies to drive traffic to your content and continually optimize your efforts for better results. With consistent effort and strategic implementation, you can achieve your goal of earning $987 a week through affiliate marketing. To learn more, go to www.success25.com.